Today on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B, we're making veggie croissant bites. These bites are made with croissant rolls. We're going to use a cream cheese and sour cream filling, and we're going to season that up. And we're going to top everything off with our favorite vegetables. And we're going to have some tasty vegetable croissant bites. Here are our ingredients we're going to need for our veggie croissant bites. We're going to need some croissants, sour cream, cream cheese, chives, salt and pepper to taste, plus some other seasonings. For our vegetables, and you can choose whatever vegetables you like, and I have chosen a cucumber, green onion, carrots, and just a yellow pepper. I'm going to start with my croissant rolls first. I'm just taking a piece of parchment paper and I'm going to lay it down on a cookie sheet. Then I'm going to take my croissant rolls and I'm going to remove them from the can. Now with this next part, you can choose to roll them out so that they can fit in your pan, or you could just pinch the seams together so that you have one sheet. Then we're going to place it into a 350 degrees oven and we're going to let that bake for 6 to 7 minutes. So while that's baking, let's go ahead and prepare our dip that we're going to place on top of our croissant. And I'm just going to start by chopping up the chives. And for those chives, we're going to need roughly a tablespoon. We're only going to need 4 ounces of an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Then we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of sour cream. Now with this, you can choose to use your fat-free or your light cream cheese, but I'm going full fat with my recipe. And make sure your cream cheese is softened, and that way you can mix them thoroughly together. Now we're simply going to add our chives in, and this is where the magic begins. Now you get to see that beautiful green color of the chives mixing with your sour cream and your cream cheese. I absolutely love it. Guys, this is my second installment for our Christmas appetizers. I certainly hope you are enjoying this. You're going to add some salt to taste, as well as some pepper. Then I'm going to add some bumante. I like this seasoning because it has a celery base and the flavors are not too strong. So we're going to get all that mixed up together. And you want to make sure you give everything a taste, and if you need any more ingredients, just add them right in there. It's like me, I need a little bit more of my bumante. Once everything is mixed well, you want to go ahead and cover it and get it into the refrigerator, and we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to go ahead and get our vegetables all diced up. And for your vegetables, you can choose the vegetables of your choice. And today I have chosen green onion, and I'm just dicing those up into bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to use some carrots, and I'm going to dice those up into bite-sized pieces. My alarm just went off and my croissant sheet is ready. But we're going to get back with our vegetables. So now I'm just dicing up my yellow pepper. And for my cucumber, I always remove my seeds because I don't want my dish to be soggy. Our vegetables are complete, and we are ready to put our appetizers together. We have allowed our croissant sheet to cool completely. Now you want to carefully remove the parchment paper from your croissant sheet. And now we're simply going to spread our chilled cream cheese mixture over our cooled croissant roll sheet. And I like to make sure I get mine from end to end or edge to edge, however you want to say it. But just make sure it is completely filled with that beautiful, tasty cream cheese mixture. Next, you're going to go ahead and top it off with all of your fresh vegetables. You want to do the same thing and make sure you fill it from edge to edge. So when you see this, what do you see? It's just like a vegetable pizza, except we have a cold spread instead of cooking it. And that's another thing with this particular appetizer. It's very little cooking involved, only 7 minutes, and that is for our croissant sheet. You're going to top everything off with some more chives, and then our appetizer is complete. All you have to do now is cut your appetizer into bite-sized pieces. And I like to use a pizza roller. It just makes it so much easier. These appetizers are best refrigerated up to 1 hour before serving because you don't want everything to get soggy. Guys, I certainly hope you find these tasty veggie croissant bites helpful for your holiday table. They are quite tasty. To me, it's just like dipping your vegetable into a dip, except you have something else to hold on to, like your crust. And that crust is a croissant roll. Who does not like croissants? Guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video because I'm going to keep them coming. As always, I'm going to see you right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Happy holidays, and I will see you soon.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before as they walk